All right, here we go. NorCal, type R meet. Let's get some rolling footage. Here's my car. Here's Noodles.
1983 was the last time I was there.
Where's the
I
host?
know, bro. There's running toilet and hot showers. I know, bro. I used to dig a fucking ditch, and when I, bro, yeah, damn. When I got to my
Integra type R.
It looks like it was going through.
That's my fault.
Yeah, like I used to go backup clam. Like, we had this guy
Picture
in
of
Monterey,
backup.
your family. It's like, you know how it's going to work.
You weren't even born yet.
C2.
Shut up.
I'm 87.
C2.
Bro, I was 20 years
Love
old
this
in
guy.
1987. Holy shit. No, that's good. Yeah.
That is so legit.
Actually, it's my friend.
A Gran Turismo sticker on it.
My friend is actually
Pretty legit. Good turnout. Love this guy's Mugen setup.
Not wanting to transfer over to like where you live? I'm pretty sure they have like a like city positions. All based on the same.
Yeah, insane. It's insanely
It's very different, yeah.
I'm working for the city of Clarksville right now.
MFGN. Here's the lowest type R here. This is crazy low. FK8 still look pretty good. I think these are 19s he's running. Yep. 19 spoons are the way to go, man. 19 spoons are the way to go.
It wasn't me, it was that guy.
Meow R. I like that shit. Gold emblems is fucking. Type R for days, you guys. I'm digging that. Simple but clean. I love this guy's front. That's just so fucking badass. His front. Last row. Last row of eyes. Man, what a big turnout. It's good stuff. This blue one's so fucking clean. With the clear headlights. I think I'm gonna get clear headlights. Oh, simple and clean. Just spooning. Just spooning. I like that. Check out the mag blue wheels on this DE5. Deep sea blue, I believe these are called. Deep sea blue.
Currently, bakit kami pa rin? Oo. PRL. PRL, bebenta ko.
And a red FK8 looks so good. Limited model.
Must be nice, no?
Probably next week we'll install the caliper.
AP2, yellow AP2. Good stuff. Excellent turnout. Excellent turnout today, you guys. Thanks for hosting NorCal Type R. We're rolling out pretty soon. Look at all these big wangs. Big wangs.
There's like a sensor right there.
All right. We'll see you guys at the next one.